हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking and public finance. Today topic is concept of budget. Throughout the words, the process for determining how the raise, the allocate and spend the public resources continue on the foundation of government. The way public resources are used to measure determine the achievement of public policy objective. The annual budget is the key policy document setting the government intention for the raising revenue and using the resources during the year. During the financial year, the first legal definition of the budget is contained in a French decree of 1862. The budget is the document which forecast and authorized the annual receipt and expenditure of the state. In most countries, the government budget is drafted a regular interval by the executive and tabulated in legislature for review and approval before the beginning of fiscal year to which the apply. The budget is the lifeblood of the government. The financial reflection of what the government does or intend to do. A theory which contains the criteria for determining what ought to be in budget is nothing less than the a theory stating what the government ought to do. Features of public budget. It is an estimate on economic activity of an entity which related to a specific future period. It must be written and approved by appropriate authority. It should be modified and corrected whatever there is a change in circumstances. It play the role of business barometers that help the measuring the performance of business by comparing actual and budgeted results. It is prepared on the basis of past experience and trend in the business. It is business practice which is used to forecast the operating activity and financial positions of business. Classification or kind of budget. A budget is quantity plan for acquiring and using the resources over the specific period. Budgets. Classification according to the four bases. The based on first based on times. Based on times, budget can be classified into two parts: long-term budgets and short-term budget. Long-term budget, this budget is related to planning operations of an organization for a period 5 to 10 years. The long-term budget may be adversely affected due to the unforeseeable factors. Therefore, from the control point of view, the long-term budget should be supplemented by the short-term budget. Examples: research and development budget, capital expenditure budget is a long-term budget. Short-term budget. This budget is done unusually for 1 year. Sometime a budget may be prepared for a shorter period. Short-term budgets are prepared in detail and the budget are helped to exercise the control over the day-to-day operations. Example, material consumption budgets, labor utilization budget, cash budget, etc. Second type of budget based on conditions. Based on condition, budget can be classified also in two parts. Basic budget, first basic budget and second current budget. Basic budget, a budget that is established for use the unaltered over the long period is called basic budget. This budget does not take into consideration change occurring from the external environment which is beyond the control of management. This budget is more useful for top level of management for formulating policy. Next, current budget. A current budget that is the established for use over the short period and it related to current conditions is called the current budget. The budget is adjusted to the current condition prevailing in the business. Next, based on function. Based on function, budget can be classified also in two parts, master budget and functional budget. Master budget, the final integration of all functional budget by the budget officer provide the master budget. When the functional budget have been completed, the budget officer prepare the master budget. Master budget show the operating profit of business for the budget periods and budgeted balance sheet its close. The budget portray the overall plan the budget period. The master budget consists of several separate interdependent budget. The first step in the budget process is the sales preparation, the sales budget, which is detailed schedule showing the expected sale for the budget periods. An accurate sale budget is likely to key to entire budgeting process. If the sales budget is accurate, the rest of the budget will be inaccurate. The sales budget is based on the company sales forecast, which may be required the use of sophisticated mathematical models and statistical tools. Functional budget. Functional budget is related to the functions to the business such as the products, sales, etc. In the another words, functional budget are prepared in the respect of various functions performed in the business. Based on flexibility. Next, based on flexibility, flexible budget is a budget which designed to change by the level of activity attained. This budget is recognize the difference in behavior between the fixed and variable cost about the fluctuation in output. This budget serves a useful tools for controlling the cost. It is the more realistic, practical, and useful than fixed budget. A flexible budget that can be used to estimate that cost should be for any level of activity within the specified range. Characteristic of flexible budget. Flexible budget like into account how the change the activity after the cost. A flexible budget makes it easy to estimate what cost should be for any level of activity within the specified range. When a flexible budget is best used to perform the evaluation actual cost are compared to what the cost should have been, the actual level of activity during the period rather than the budgeted cost from the original budget. This is the very important distinction, particularly for variable cost. If adjustment for the level of activity are not made, it is very difficult to interpret it between the budgeted and actual cost. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss about the preparation of budget in India. Thank you.